get on the first ride of the trip, the monorail. Waiting to go. Guess I should put my ears on. That's better. Got my ears on. Ready to go. I did change because it is a lot warmer here than it was in Kentucky. It was freezing in Kentucky. I had pants on, so thankfully I packed some shorts in my bag, so I'm good to go now. Starbucks. Yay! I need caffeine. This might be the shortest Starbucks line we'll see this entire trip. It's never this short. I actually am planning to try to hit up the Character Warehouse this trip. I've never been. I've always wanted to go. So I'm trying to figure out which one to go to. I put a post up on Facebook to find out what the longest wait is right now, but I'm not sure if anybody will respond. So I'm not going to decide until I get down to baggage claim. Made it to the outlets. Now I'm going to go see how long the wait is. So let's go find out. So I made it to the outlet malls here on International Drive. I am all checked in for the wait to get into the Character Warehouse. They said there's about 50 people ahead of me. So I'll get a text message when it's my turn to go in. Hopefully it won't be too much longer. So I decided to have some lunch while I'm waiting on the text message to get to the Character Warehouse. So I figured I'd have a little Subway. I got a turkey sandwich. There's a lot of mayo on there. Asked for light mayo, but that's okay. And then I got some salt and vinegar chips. They're my favorite. So sitting here waiting for Lee to meet up with me too. So I am in line to get into the store now. It was about an hour and 20-minute wait to get in to this line. And there is one car ahead of me before I can go in. So I'm waiting on Lee. He is here trying to park. He picked up the truck from the car care center, so can't wait to hear how that went. Hopefully it went smoothly, but hopefully he gets rushed in because we will be going in. So excited. We finally made it into the Character Warehouse. My first time here. I think I might go a little crazy. Oh, I like this artwork. All right, time to look. 20% off clothes. And there's so many costumes. Wow. How much is this Anna one? 30 bucks. Wow. $30 for a costume. That's crazy. Got flower and garden merchandise. $7.99. That's a really good price. Food and wine headbands. Those are cute. Cookbooks. Okay, headbands are, yeah, I'm getting one of these. They're cute. Got Small World ones. These are cute. Well, we just finished up at the outlet store, the one on iDrive. I think I only waited like an hour and 20 minutes, so it really wasn't that bad. Heading to the car now. And Lee has already been to the resort and dropped her bags off. So I think we're gonna go back to the hotel and we'll show y'all what we got eventually. But we got a lot of good finds. Well, we are back in the truck. Got it back, yay, it's fixed. And so overall thoughts on Character Warehouse. The outlet mall it was in, I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of seedy. I mean, it smelled. I just smelled like sewage or something the whole time there. I'm just saying that it was just kind of had like a negative effect on just being there. But other than that, though, the Disney store did not stink. I'm just saying like the outlet mall in general. But yeah, so well, overall, yeah.
It's a bad time of year to be shopping.
Yeah, it is. It is just Christmas time. And, you know, I just took advantage of the opportunity coming down here to check it out because I always wanted to. But anyway, I did find some cool stuff. Found a bunch of pairs of ears. I didn't see any Spirit jerseys, unfortunately, because that's one of the things I was looking for. Found a few cute tops, coffee mugs, mostly just kind of stocked up on stuff that I normally might have bought in the parks, but it was way cheaper. So
yeah,
yes, I loved the prices. Yeah, I mean, I found ears for $7.99. I think I found a coffee mug for $5.99. There was keychains. Yeah, all kinds of cool stuff. Lee found a Nike polo shirt for $20 or something. Yeah, it was like $30 for men's polo shirts, then it was 20% off on top of that. So overall, I was impressed. I definitely want to check out the Vineland store next time, the one that's near Disney. And I know, because then that one's a lot closer, more convenient when you're at Disney to go to that one. But yeah, overall I was impressed. So I definitely recommend it. And we're here at Disney again. And in the bubble. Again. Not complaining. Checking into the boardwalk. So excited. Good old Skyliner. Super pumped to stay here. I've always wanted to stay at the boardwalk. I think we would have preferred to stay here pre-COVID stuff because the whole nightlife of the boardwalk is what really appealed to us. Here we are. I like the way the entrance looks. Oh yeah. I smell cinnamon. Oh, it smells so good in here.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
I didn't tell you on purpose.
Oh, this lobby is so cool. All these decorations. Oh yeah, it smells divine in here. Yeah, it makes me want to eat. 2 Christmas trees. DVC. Here's all the, let's see, what is today? There's nothing on Sundays? Figures. 7 to 11. There's a look at the food and beverage offerings, and the times are open. Might go down and get a cocktail in a little bit. Yes, and a fuel rod station. Nice. All right, our room is first hallway off the lobby. Oh, this is cool. It's like a little, oh, this is neat. It's nice and quiet. Place just to sit and chill in the AC. And our room is right here. 2047. My van works. Wow. Okay guys, room tour time. So I'm kind of speechless. Like, this room is so nice. This is our first time ever staying DVC. So I'm gonna give you all the tour really quick. So let's check it out. So first, when you come in, you have this like kind of foyer area. This is actually a handicap accessible room. So it's gonna be a little different than most of the rooms here, but you have this nice mirror so you can check out your reflection on the way out to the parks. Make sure you look super cute. Moving on. Oh, hey.
Hey, I was watching the water taxis.
Oh, cool.
2 of them were docking.
Yeah. Moving on, we have this really cool kitchenette area. This is not our first time staying, like I said, in a DVC property. We've stayed at Key West before, so we had this same kind of setup at Key West, but this is nicer, I think. So you've got some trash cans under here. That's our box that we brought up some drinks with. You have a mini fridge. This is actually a pretty decent sized mini fridge.
Yeah.
I didn't know you could get them this big.
Size
Yeah.
fridge, you know.
Yeah, there's like a freezer area. Sorry, you can see that. There's an ice tray, so that's cool. So that's nice. We've got some waters in here. We have a microwave, a full-size coffee pot. We even have a toaster. And up here, I think we have some utensils.
Wine keys.
Yeah. Oh, there's wine keys up there. Paper towels. So that's nice. And then, of course, we have Joffrey's coffee. And we have some disposable paper cups. I have a feeling if it wasn't for COVID, we'd probably have real ones. It seems like I've heard people say that. So some bowls and plates, ice bucket, like the towel work here, that's nice. And of course the sink. Oh, and they have a towel and a sponge and some dishwashing soap, so that's nice. Into the bathroom, like I said, this is a handicap accessible room. So there's plenty of room for a wheelchair to get in here. As you can see, the sink is elevated pedestal type sink, so they can get their chair under here. So that would be probably different from most of the rooms here. And then of course the shower, where you can roll your wheelchair into the shower. My only complaint really think would be about this room is the shower is kind of small. So I would expect maybe a bigger shower for wheelchair, but that's just me. And then you have your H2O products here, which is nice. They're not like the pump kind. And then you have the products here and a nice mirror. Coming out of the bathroom, we've got this nice storage. Oh yeah.
So wardrobe.
Yep. Extra pillows and blankets. Rack for your luggage. It looks like there's a safe down there. A hair dryer. Oh, there's a hair dryer. Sorry. I can't say that word. Iron. I'm from Mississippi, okay? Iron board. Yeah. Oh, there's some hooks right there too. Okay. And then you got this. I don't know. Oh, okay. Some drawers. That's neat. Okay. And there's soft clothes. Well, that's nice. There's plenty of storage in here. We could easily sleep in this one with the kids, I think. All right, and then you have a nice queen size bed.
I believe this doesn't have a nightstand on this side because it's a handicap accessible.
Oh, I was just about to make that comment. I would like for there to be a nightstand here, but that makes sense if it's handicapped. Yeah.
So you can get your wheelchair. Because there's
Yeah.
one on this side and it's
Okay.
a large void.
Uh-huh.
Pretty sure it's for handicap accessibility.
That would make sense. Of course, you have your TV, nice table and chair, and then this pulls out too. Let's see what's on the thing.
Push your button.
Oh, push the button. Oh, okay. Oh, neat. It's Dumbo. That's cute. So you just move the chairs. Oh, okay. Oh, that's really cute. I love this. So if the kids were here, they would fight over this for sure. It feels comfy. And then you got USBs and of course regular plugs there. That's nice. I like it. So nightstand with USBs again. I'm pretty sure all the hotels have USB plugs now. This is a couch that I think, does it pull out? Do we know?
That is a sleeper sofa couch, yes.
That's nice. I wonder. So yes, it is a pull-out sofa. So that is nice. That gives. So basically, I would say this room can sleep 1, 2, 5.
2 adults.
Yeah,
Up to
I
3
think it
kids.
sleeps 5. Okay. Oh, and this is a joining one too.
Mhm.
And then you have a coffee table, remote, and this is the best part.
Yes, I've already enjoyed this.
Look at this view. We are right on the boardwalk. Yeah, I like this. Really nice. There's like nobody around too. It's kind of weird seeing it this dead.
Yeah. Well, right now everybody's at the park. I would assume.
True. You got the music playing, and then of course the view of the water. So you got the Boardwalk Bakery right down there. Whoops. ESPN zone. This is really cool. Got the Atlantic Dance, which is something we've always wanted to check out, but I don't know if they're open right now. Yeah.
Comes the water taxi.
Sure thing. There's water taxis.
You could sit and watch the water taxis.
I know. It's so peaceful. So that's the outside. Yeah, this is really cool. Very peaceful. Could sit out here for a while and listen to the water taxis and the music. So we got this room by renting DVC points. I was able to get them for $16 a point. So that's a really good deal. So basically what we ended up paying per night was even cheaper than the military discount or with the AP discount. So sometimes you can find better deals by renting points than the military rates. So yeah, so that was a really good deal.